Made in Alfreton and made in England. With the textiles industry expecting an upsurge from what's called reshoring, the David Nieper company's now setting up a training school to pass on textile skills needed to cope with demand.
If we can use the skills, use the experience, use the expertise which we've got here today, we could train the next generation and provide a springboard for regeneration of the textile sector here.
The company's investing around £400,000 in the school, with around £140,000 coming in grant aid. They brought in a man who helped to set up the JCB Academy to give advice.
I think there's a tremendous potential. There is no question that internationally, the British, made in Britain, manufactured in Britain, is seen as something to aspire to.
This graph shows how textiles output has declined much more than manufacturing as a whole. In Leicester, textiles is seen as a growth sector, with pay rates expected to improve as order books get bigger because of reshoring.
Instead of product being on the sea for weeks, which it is if it's coming from the Far East or China, it can be made within 2 weeks here in Leicester.
Rachel is at David Nieper after many years out of the industry. In the bad old days of 1990, another firm made her redundant after she'd trained up staff in Sri Lanka.
Was there for so many weeks, come back, and then just one afternoon we heard it on the radio to say that all the CV knitwear factories were shut in.
But at David Nieper, even the printing of the brochures has been brought back in-house. Mike O'Sullivan, BBC East Midlands Today, Derbyshire.